Have you ever considered the silent ticking of your biological clock? As we age, we might not only be gaining wisdom but also potential health issues. Each passing moment brings us a step closer to the inevitable aging process. It's a journey that all of us are on, a journey that's as natural as the changing of the seasons. But with age, we often find unwelcome companions tagging along. Dementia and Alzheimer's, these are names that cast long shadows, and for good reason. They can sneak up on us, quietly eroding the very essence of who we are. Yet there's a silver lining. We're not helpless bystanders in this journey. We can take proactive steps, become architects of our own health. It's a matter of making informed choices, of understanding our bodies better, of nurturing ourselves at the very root of our being, our DNA. But what if there was a way to combat these potential health problems from a molecular level? Stay tuned to find out. Our bodies are complex machines, and like any machine, they rely on a blueprint, our DNA. This blueprint, intricately woven with billions of nucleotides, is the very essence of our identity, dictating everything from the color of our eyes to how our bodies age. But DNA isn't a static entity. It's in a constant state of flux, being read, copied, and repaired by our cells. And this is where nucleotides, oligopeptides, and amino acids come into play. Acting as the building blocks of DNA, nucleotides are responsible for the proper replication and functioning of our genetic material. Oligopeptides and amino acids, on the other hand, play a supporting role. They facilitate the repair and rejuvenation of our DNA, ensuring it remains in top-notch condition. This maintenance is crucial in preventing potential health issues related to aging, and it's not just about prevention. These molecules also support our overall health, enhancing our immune function, boosting our energy levels, and aiding in cognitive function. Now, you might be wondering, how can I ensure my body is getting these essential molecules? We have a recommendation for you. Meet Immurogen, a product that is designed to provide your body with these essential molecules. Immurogen is a nutritional supplement packed with nucleotides, oligopeptides, and amino acids. These elements are not just random ingredients, they are the building blocks of DNA, vital for proper replication and functioning of our genetic material. A deficiency could lead to errors in DNA replication, potentially causing disorders. But Immurogen does more than just replenishing your body with these vital elements. Testimonials have indicated that it enhances immune function, rejuvenates cells, boosts energy levels, and improves cognitive function. These benefits are not just for those facing the challenges of aging, but for anyone seeking to maintain and improve their health. Immurogen is not just a supplement, it's a commitment to your body, a promise to nourish your DNA, to ensure that the fundamental aspects of your being are well taken care of. So why wait for the unseen clock of aging to catch up? Start nourishing your DNA today. Check the link in the description below to learn more about Immurogen, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more valuable information on DNA health. Here's to a healthier you.